Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. So there are some days when you don't want to have the regular rotis or parathas and are looking for some chatpata or tangy and spicy recipes. So today's recipe will fall into that criteria. We are going to try Achari roti today. The ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. Let's have a look at the ingredients required to make the roti. So I've got some wheat flour in here. In here I've got Nigella seeds of kalonji, Fennel seeds of saunf, mustard seeds, some methi or fenugreek and a pinch of asafoetida. In here I have dry mango powder, salt to taste, red chilli powder and turmeric powder. Apart from this, we'll also need some oil to grease the rotis in and also add in the dough. So let's start preparing the roti. So the first step is to put a pan on fire. I'm using a tadka pan here. And into it goes all the spices. That's fennel seeds, nigella seeds, mustard seeds, methi and asafoetida. I'm going to lightly dry roast them so that their aroma comes out. It's enough to roast them for a minute or so. I can smell the spices. Now I'm going to switch off the stove. Let this cool down and then we'll crush it coarsely in the mixer. So I've got the coarse powder ready in here. Don't grind it too much, we want it to be a little coarse. So that's ready. Now what we'll do is, let's add the powders and salt into the wheat flour along with the crushed spices. Mix everything together. Now we'll add a tablespoon of oil. If you have mustard oil with you, add mustard oil to this mixture, but I'm using normal refined oil. I'm mixing the oil also into this. Now let's add water and make this into a roti dough. I'm adding water little by little and we'll make it into a roti dough. The dough is ready. Now we'll let this rest for at least 10 minutes. Now this is one way of preparing the achari roti. Another very easy method is to add some Punjabi mango pickle into the atta and then make the dough as normal roti dough and roll it into rotis. That's very easy to do. This is something which you can do from scratch. So let's rest the dough and then I'll be back. So the dough has rested nicely for 10 minutes. Now let's divide it into equal portions and then take one ball of the dough, flatten it and roll it into a roti. I've dipped it in some atta. So we'll roll all the rotis in the same way. So I've placed a tawa on fire. I'm going to place the roti on it. And let's just cook the roti from both sides. So this is done from both sides. Now we remove it into a plate and cook the rest of the rotis the same way. So the roti is ready for you. Serve this with some regular dal or sabji, or you can serve it with some raita. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Until I see you next time, bye bye.